Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing things a little bit differently. We're going to do a bit more of a vlog style, or at least give it a go. Just let us know if you like more of that or if you prefer the voiceovers.
Today we're actually going to be heading over to the lavender farm. We have been waiting for the past hour for the rain to subside, seeing as we are in Wales. We hope that you enjoy this, and we'll be bringing Pen along because they are, in fact, dog friendly as well. We hope you enjoy.
Cheers.
We're going to go to the lavender farm. Are you excited? Are you excited to go to the lavender farm? What do you think? Come, Pen, let's go. Come on, we're going to go for a drive. Come, let's go. Let's go. We're going to go for a drive. Yeah. Are we going to go for a drive? Yes, are we going to go for a drive? Are you excited? Are we going to go for a drive? Are we? We're going to go for a drive? Yes, let's go. Let's go. We're going to go for a drive. Are you excited? We're going to go to the lavender farm. So finally made it into the car, heading through to the lavender farm now, and I don't want to say anything too soon. We've had like 3 weeks of rain. We've actually all been complaining that the summer's kind of gone, and it looks like there's a little bit of sun peeking through, so hopefully it means we'll have a little bit of a dry spell to go and see the lavender farm.
And it's so much prettier when there's actually sun around.
Yeah, Wales is beautiful. So this is the one thing that I don't like. I know some people love these little country roads, but I've had really bad experience on them. So yeah, we're going to go through little country roads now. This is when you know you're going into the middle of nowhere. This is another thing with the country roads. You've got to make sure that you give way because only one car can fit on the road at a time. So that's always fun. That's why you never buy a nice car, because invariably you're going to land up in a bush or hedge. In South Africa, this is what we'd call bundu bashing.
Well, as you can see, it's another horrible, disgusting day in mid-Wales. So now we're having ourselves a coffee, and then we're going to go and explore a little bit. What do you say about that, Penny? I'm excited. I'm excited. So this here is polenta cake. Never in my life. Let's give it a go, shall we? Wow, it's solid. Quite nice, actually.
You've got
Lemon
the sheep
polenta
in the background.
Oh, nice.
How is it though?
That's actually quite good. A little bit grainy, it is polenta after all, but yeah, not everything has to have a wheat, does it?
So I have a gluten-free vegan brownie, which is always a win in my book, especially going to places like this. You're not always guaranteed to get gluten-free or vegan, especially both. So I'm also a sucker for a good brownie. So we'll give it a go. That's good. That's good. It like hits you afterwards. The like chocolate. As you're eating it, you're like, that's good. And then it gets like better and better as you eat it. Sorry, Pen. I can't share chocolate with you.
I forgot. Need to review the coffee. That's always important.
Yeah. Shame, Pen. I can't share my chocolate with you because chocolate's not good for dogs, no.
Coffee. Lovely.
So after you've had your tea and coffee, or maybe you've had a look through the lavender fields, you can come and have a wild swim in their pond, which is just so cute and beautiful. I was actually considering having a swim today, but it's turned a little bit chilly and the wind's picked up, so I think I'm going to chicken out of this one today. But I definitely think we have to come back on a little bit of a warmer day because I'd love to do a wild swim here. It's just so beautiful. It's so cute. I love it. So just come down to the bottom of the lavender field to the plum and apple orchard, which I just think is so quaint and cute. I'm not too sure if it's a private orchard, if they sell the produce or not, if they make some of their products from the produce, but it is really cute. I just love this place. It's so cute and quaint and such a nice little day trip if you have nothing to do or you just feel like you want to take a day out. And they've got a little shop in here as well where they produce their own locally made body lotions, foot scrubs and all of that, and everything just smells absolutely divine. That is amazing.
So it's come to the end of our day at the lavender farm. A little bit grey. It was a nice day. Definitely recommend it.